This is right outside my house. This has been going on for some time now. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's non-stop. There's no rain really, just fire in the sky. It's like the sky is talking to all the sky buddies. I don't know what those lines are in front of my camera. That's weird. It's all right. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It is. It's very cool.
I mean, it's a lot, and I mean a lot of lightning.
It's pretty nutty, buddy.
Are you getting it good?
Yeah, I've gotten some lightning strikes for sure. There's these weird black shadowy light things in front of the camera. I don't know. Probably because it's such a bad camera.
Probably because they're spirits.
Oh, I have no doubt of that, but usually they don't look like big black lines.
Then what do they look like?
Not like that.
What do spirits look like?
Ooh.
What?
Just the lightning in the sky. We got some good cracks.
I know.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Spirits, do it. Spirits.
Spirits, are you with us tonight?
Fucking right I
Yes.
am!
For a minute, I thought I said you've been recording for 57 minutes.
I know.
But no, those are seconds, then those are milliseconds.
You want to see what a spirit looks like?
Yeah.
Here, come here.
What?
Come over here. That's what a spirit looks like.
Aw, thank.
Alright, I'm stopping.
Okay, well.
Whoa, we finally got some color in the sky. Looked like I was filming in black and white. There we go. Yeah.
Whoa. It's beautiful.
Alright, well, I don't have a whole lot to say. Nature's kind of saying it all for us, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
What we do know is that there's a bunch of
This
lightning.
is
It's very loud.
Raven and Lucian on... Oh, damn.
Whoa.
I wish I'd have gotten that.
Me too. I didn't see
That was like a circle of lightning.
Whoa.
Hey, can you do that again, lightning?
Please.
One more time for us before
we
we
want to see that.
shut it down?
That was super cool.
Oh,
Ah, so beautiful.
it's cleaning the air, huh?
Yeah.
It's energizing. We're going to sleep and dream good tonight.
Yep.
All right, all you wizards and shamans. We're sending this out to all y'all.
Hey, we
Soak
will
it up.
see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Peace.